Let's talk about the hottest topic in the AI space right now, a brand new autonomous agent called MANUS. If you've been following the buzz around artificial intelligence lately, you may have heard phrases like GPT moment, DeepSeek moment, intern that never sleeps, or the universal hand. All of these catchy terms are being used to describe this groundbreaking product from a Chinese startup called Monica. Welcome to our channel in AI Decrypted Labs. Before watching the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. MANUS has taken the tech world by storm, appearing across social media platforms and dominating discussions on tech websites. But what exactly is MANUS? In simple terms, it is being referred to as the world's first truly general AI agent. Unlike the AI assistants and chatbots we are familiar with, like those that answer questions, generate text, or provide code suggestions, MANUS is designed to go a step further. This AI agent doesn't just help with brainstorming or suggesting ideas, it actually plans and executes tasks, delivering final results just like a highly efficient intern. Whether it's coding, browsing websites, analyzing data, or compiling reports, MANUS does it all. The meaning behind MANUS. The AI agent is built by Monica, and the company's website is monica.im. The name MANUS carries deep meaning. In Latin, mens et manus translates to mind and hand. This perfectly embodies the philosophy behind the product. AI should not merely store knowledge, but actively apply it to achieve real-world results. The unprecedented hype. So how did MANUS suddenly become so famous? On March 6, 2025, Monica officially launched an early preview of MANUS. The response was nothing short of a frenzy. Thousands of people stayed up all night hoping to secure an invitation code. In fact, the demand was so high that some individuals even started reselling invite codes on secondhand platforms. Prices ranged from 999 yuan, approximately 137 USD, to a staggering 100,000 yuan, nearly 14,000 USD. Most codes being resold were priced at several hundred or even a few $1,000s, showcasing just how much anticipation and excitement surrounded this AI agent. What makes MANUS special? The reason behind such excitement is MANUS's advanced capabilities. According to the official site, MANUS is built with a multi-agent structure, meaning that different sub-agents within the system handle specific components of a task. One sub-agent might be responsible for planning, another for executing actions, such as writing a Python script or visiting a website, and yet another for verifying accuracy. This setup mimics how human teams operate. One person strategizes while another implements the plan. This division of labor allows MANUS to tackle complex tasks far beyond simple chatbot responses. For example, MANUS can screen resumes for an open job position, analyze real estate listings based on income and neighborhood preferences, conduct stock data analysis and generate financial reports, summarize large sets of financial statements. In a live demonstration, a user needed to find a house in New York that met specific criteria: a safe neighborhood, a strong school district, and a price within budget. MANUS systematically searched online for safety data, gathered property prices, performed budget calculations using Python scripts, and generated a detailed report with a recommended list of properties. This goes far beyond traditional AI assistants, which typically provide simple answers rather than producing an entire workflow and a final product. Real-world applications of MANUS users have tested MANUS in various real-world scenarios, including planning a trip to Japan in April, including flights, accommodations, and itineraries, conducting in-depth Tesla stock analyses, creating interactive course materials for middle school teachers to explain physics concepts, compiling lists of B2B companies from Y Combinator's Winter 2025 batch. What sets MANUS apart is that it doesn't just provide text-based responses. It can generate code, create visual dashboards, and format information into Excel spreadsheets or tables, depending on the user's preference. The Gaia benchmark, a new standard? One of the most impressive claims about MANUS is its performance on the Gaia benchmark. This benchmark is designed to measure how well a general AI assistant can handle real-world tasks. According to Monica, MANUS surpassed other AI systems, including OpenAI's DeepSeek, across all three levels of Gaia's difficulty ratings. While specific details of these tests remain limited, the AI community is buzzing about the claims. Monica boldly states that MANUS has outperformed outperformed OpenAI's best models on tasks requiring autonomy and execution. The people behind Monica, the company behind Manus, was founded by Xiao Hong, a serial entrepreneur who graduated from Huazhong University of Science and Technology in 2015. Another key figure is Ji Qiao, the company's chief scientist who recently demonstrated Manus in a video that quickly gained hundreds of thousands of views online. Interestingly, Monica's shareholder structure has undergone changes in recent years. In 2024, Tencent's venture capital arm invested in the company, alongside Zenfund, which contributed funding in July 2022. While Monica has kept many corporate details under wraps, this level of investment suggests confidence in its AI capabilities. Manus versus the AI giants. Many are comparing Manus's emergence to previous major moments in AI history, such as OpenAI's ChatGPT breakthrough. Some Chinese media outlets even describe Manus's debut as a Sputnik moment or another GPT moment, referencing the revolutionary impact of ChatGPT's launch. Unlike traditional generative AI models, which primarily focus on text or image generation, Manus aims for what is often called artificial general intelligence, AGI. While it's not yet capable of performing physical tasks, its ability to autonomously complete multi-step digital processes positions it as a significant leap forward in AI development. The business potential. A growing number of enterprises are adopting AI-driven agents. Reports indicate that by January 2024, at least 21% of enterprises had already integrated AI agents into their workflows. Gartner predicts that this number will exceed 80% by 2026. If Manus continues to evolve successfully, it could become a dominant force in this expanding market. Industries that could benefit from Manus include e-commerce, analyzing Amazon store data, optimizing sales strategies, finance, automating stock market analysis, preparing investment reports, hospitality, conducting market research, planning event logistics. Monica has even demonstrated how Manus can help a Texas barbecue restaurant boost sales by analyzing local customer data. How can you access Manus? At the moment, access to Manus is invitation only. This exclusivity has led to a thriving black market for invite codes, with people reselling them for thousands of dollars. Monica has assured users that they are actively working to expand server capacity and hope to provide open access in the future. However, no official date has been confirmed for widespread availability. The skepticism, despite the excitement, some critics question whether Manus is truly an autonomous AI agent or just an advanced combination of existing AI technologies. Monica is known for its AI-based solutions, including a popular browser plugin for ChatGPT, which quickly grew to 10 million users. Given their track record, they might achieve similar success with Manus. But the question remains, is Manus a genuine step toward AGI, or just an advanced tool with great marketing? Final thoughts. Regardless of skepticism, Manus has undeniably shaken up the AI space, especially in China. Seeing an AI autonomously unzip files, sift through resumes, run Python scripts, and compile real estate data is a glimpse into the future of AI-powered workflows. Manus also claims to learn user preferences over time, making future tasks even more efficient. With major players like OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic also developing AI agents, competition in this space is heating up. However, few have demonstrated a working AI agent as capable as Manus appears to be. The big question is, will Manus truly revolutionize AI, or is it just another fleeting trend? Let me know what you think in the comments. Is Manus the future of AI, or is it just a well-marketed aggregator of existing tools? Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.